I want to go through some examples of doing set operations. I want to go through them having the Venn diagrams already drawn for my sets. So I'm actually going to use this Venn diagram for all four of these examples here. So in this picture, just so that we're all on the same page, notice that A is a set that has red, blue, yellow, and purple in it. So A is red, blue, yellow, purple. My set B, this is a set with black, white, yellow, and purple. Wow, I misspelled purple. Purple. I'm going to have to leave it in there. So, black, white, yellow, purple. Okay. My universal set is everyone here. So green, orange, red, white, yellow, purple, black, and white. Okay, so those are the sets that we're dealing with here. Now, let's find this set. So I want to find A, this symbol B. I have to remember that that symbol means intersection. The way that I do that, being dyslexic, I have to have a way to do that, is I imagine, that's a terrible dashed line. I imagine I can draw this all right. Let me draw it bigger. Maybe that'll help me. There we go. I imagine this symbol is kind of a loopy A or a curved A missing the crossbar. And that reminds me of the word and. So for intersection, I want the things that are and, so the things that are in both. So if I want the intersection of these two sets, I want what's in both of them. So I want the things that are both in A and both in, or are also in B. That's these guys at the middle. This is yellow and purple. Okay, the intersection of those two sets, just yellow and purple. That's it, right? Just the people in the middle there. Okay, next, I want to find the union of these two sets. I remember that that symbol, this symbol, is union because it kind of looks like a U. Kind of looks like the beginning of union, so I want the union, which means the coming together of both of those sets. A union B in my Venn diagram lives, remember, here. So everyone in either one of those sets. So A union B is red. Okay, got him. Blue. Great. Yellow. Okay, I wrote him down. My favorite. Purple. Okay, got it. Black. Good. And finally, white. Okay, so the union of those two sets, all those elements inside one or the other or both, bring together everything in either set. Red, blue, yellow, purple, black, and white. There's my union. What about A complement? Well, if I look at those sets and I want A complement, remember that's everyone that's in this universal set, but that's not in A. So, for complement, I'm looking out. So A complement is the set that has, I see green is outside of there, orange, black, and white. Those are all of the elements outside of A, which means they're all of the elements in A complement. Okay, just one more example. What if I wanted to find the union of A and B complement? Well, there are a lot of ways I could do this, but I think when I'm first getting started with Venn diagrams, the easiest thing to do is find A, which I already know is red, blue, yellow, and purple. Okay, I've got A. Now I want to look at what's in B complement. Well, recall B complement is going to be everyone outside of B. So here, that will be green, red, orange, and blue. Now I want the union of these two sets. So I want their union. I want anything that's in one or the other or both. So A union with B complement is red. Red has to be in there because it's in A. Blue has to be in there because it's in A. Yellow has to be in there because it's in A. Purple has to be in there because it's in A. I don't have green yet, so green has to be in there because it's in B. Red has to be in there. I already have red. Orange. And I already have blue. So here, red, blue, yellow, purple, green, and orange. Man, I must have been freaking out about purple. So I misspelled orange. There I go. So red, blue, yellow, purple, green, and orange are the elements in the set A union B complement. Couple quick extra notes. When I look at this, I have to do the complement of B first. Okay, complement is a unary operator. It only acts on one thing. You can think of it like an exponent, or you can think of it like a negative sign when we're dealing with arithmetic and numbers. Complements come first. They're strong. I'm only going to take the complement of what that is attached to unless there are parentheses. So here I take the complement of B, and then I union that with A. Watch out for that. Also, one other thing, if I want to find this set, and I've been working with Venn diagrams long enough, I'm going to say, well, A is here. B complement is everything outside of B that I've noted there, so all this stuff. And here was A. Since this is a union, I want anything that's colored in here. So all of A there, all that green stuff, red, yellow, purple, blue, and everything outside of B, so all that stuff kind of designated with red, so green, orange, red, and blue. I put those together, and I get this set. I get their union.